Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the core samples and setting your project sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz so timing and pitch stay consistent. Once done, open a new software instrument track and load Drum Machine Designer. This gives you immediate pad mapping. Next, drag your chosen kicks, snares, subs, and jungle percussion into individual pads so you can sequence and process them independently. Make sure to name and color pads for quick navigation, because clarity speeds up the creative loop. You now build the characteristic jungle groove by setting tempo between 160 and 175 BPM and programming breakbeats with 1/16 and 1/32 note edits. Once your skeleton exists, layer 2 snares, one bright for attack and one fuller for body, and apply complementary EQ to avoid masking. Then create shuffled ghost hits. Either enable swing or nudge MIDI notes manually to humanize the rhythm. Make sure to vary velocity and slight timing to simulate live break manipulation and keep the pattern dynamic. You finish by routing drum pads to a drum bus and applying parallel compression and selective multiband distortion to glue energy without destroying transients. Once done, automate filter cutoff, pitch drops, and reverb sends for intro/build/exit moments to create tension and release. When arranging, duplicate breaks, chop fills, and tempo sync effects for variety. If you encounter phase cancellation or timing drift, make sure to align sample start points, disable sample time stretching, and toggle delay compensation to quickly recover punch and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.